Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing black tie honey. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a honey that you intake, and it is supposed to make you healthier or help with your health. So if you're wondering if this product is legit, let's head on over here down to Reddit and see the reviews. So basically, this person said, back in 2009, there were 21 cases where guys were rushed to hospital taking similar supplements. It was published on Reuters. Surprised to see similar products circulating again. So that's a bad review right there. So as you can see, Black Honey is a great product, but like you said, it ends up being expensive. Though if you ask me, it's worth the money if you're satisfied with the effects. I came across this comparison, which you might find helpful and a lot more. So basically, it has mixed reviews right here, since it is not backed by science. However, it does have vitamin C, ginseng extract, raw organic honey. It is basically just raw honey. But people are not sure what they actually put in here. So if you're actually looking to buy black tie honey, I would advise not to, since they're not that famous yet, and there are a lot of different honey products out there that are better and more nutritious for your health and more safe. So please avoid this product if you're trying to buy it, and maybe do some more research before buying it. That is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.